Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, being the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, September the 19th, the turmoil in Greece continues. I think that's why we've got limited news. I've got just 3 press releases for you and only 1 out of the resource space. I'm kind of saving for last. Let's start you off first with DHX Media, trades on the TSX on the stock symbol DHX. They're reporting their full year results as a producer of mainly children's entertainment content. Not a bad business to be in, and it looks like the results are backing that up. Revenues, $54.7 million, up 35%. EBITDA, $7.4 million, up 77%. Net income, $1.7 million, or 3 cents per share. That's up from a net loss last year of $800,000. So it looks like they've got a $2.5 million turnaround on the bottom line. That's always impressive. Closed on Friday, 85 cents, $1.35 on the high, 71 cents on the low at $52 million. A healthy market cap, so I wouldn't exactly say it's a screaming buy, but definitely worth watching because I think this is a great business to be in. Next up, Cantronic Systems. They put out the results for the second quarter. They trade under the venture exchange of the stock symbol CTS. Here are the highlights. Revenue, $7.3 million. That's an increase of 31.5%. Net income, $741,000, or 0.008 cents per basic share. So that's basically 0.8 of a share. They're not quite up to a penny, but that net income number is up 405% compared to $147,000 last year. So you got to like that. What do? They provide training and services in the fields of IP-based networks, specifically video security and surveillance technologies. Pretty good space to be in because I think video security and surveillance technologies are only going to grow for years and years to come. They're not going anywhere. Closed Friday, 15 cents, 39 on the high, 13 cents on the low. And finally, NXT Energy Solutions, TSX Venture, stock symbol SFD, and for our friends in the U.S., NSFDF. They announced that they secured a $1.65 million survey contract in Argentina. So before I tell you a little bit about the contract, this is what they do. It's a Calgary-based company. They've got proprietary airborne stress field detection survey system. So they're basically doing it all from the sky. They say it provides a revolutionary survey method that can be used both onshore and offshore to remotely identify potential hydrocarbon traps and reservoirs, basically helping partners find oil and gas. This new survey is for southern Argentina. It allows the client to focus and fast-track their exploration resources on the most prospective areas within the new exploration block. It's a large, privately owned Argentina business, and they also reported that at the recent Latin American Next Generation Oil and Gas Summit, they were awarded the Summit Thought and Leadership Excellence Award. So they're doing some good things there. They definitely haven't broken out the way I thought they would over the past few years, but they definitely stay in the game, and something to watch only because I like this kind of technology. Closed on Friday, 70 cents, $1.29 on the 52-week high, 23 cents on the 52-week low. Extreme volatility there. So there is an opportunity to profit, and I think it is because of this kind of sentiment that I was talking about, where people are expecting more. Maybe they get disheartened, but then they're expecting more. It's up and down, up and down. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for the small cap space. If you look for more great small cap resource companies, and you watch this on Globe Investor, they look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see the companies that we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.